In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, I swear by the passage of time that man is surely in a state of loss, except for those who believe and do good deeds and exhort one another to hold fast to the truth, and who exhort one another to steadfastness.
The explanation. At every moment, man is advancing towards his death. This means that if a man does not make the best of the time which is still available to him, he will finally face total destruction. In order to be successful, a man has to exert himself, while for failure, he has to do nothing. It is itself rushing towards him. A venerable gentleman tells us that he understood the meaning of this chapter of the Quran from an ice vendor who was shouting in the market, "O people, have mercy on one whose assets are melting away." On hearing this shout, the gentleman said to himself that just as the ice melts and reduces, similarly, the lifespan given to man is fast passing away. If the existing opportunity is lost in inaction or in evil action, this is man's loss. One who utilizes his time properly is one who adopts three courses in the present world. One is that of faith, i.e., consciousness of truth or reality and its acceptance. Secondly, that of virtuous deeds, i.e., doing that which is required to be done as a matter of religious duty and abstaining from what is sinful. Thirdly, that of advising people about truth and forbearance. This follows upon such a deep realization of truth that the concerned person becomes its preacher.